I'm just coming from the morning mass, from the Croatian morning mass. It was again just beautiful, you know. Look at these people here, and there's Our Lady. And yeah, what can I say? It's every morning so nice, as it is joyful, peaceful, and yeah, very happy to be in Medjugorje. I just talked to friends from France, and we said, where should you go? This is the best place in the world. You're close to Our Lady, you're close to heaven. Heaven touches earth in Medjugorje. Come and experience it for yourself. And you see, for the heat, there's fresh water on both sides here. You can get fresh water and cool water, because it's very hot now. And yeah, it's wonderful to be here. Hello. Some friends from Italy over there. And I'm going to have my coffee now, going over there. It's like just amazing to be here in Medjugorje. Look at that. And the people, the church is full in the morning. Can you look at this, do they? All these people were in church. Where can you see that in the Western country? It's 7:30 in the morning, the church full, you know? And look at this. This is a nice man as well. This is the owner of Victor's. The shop up there, it's my living room, my second. And look, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful to be around in this place. It's the best place in town. And yeah, what can I say? It's just beautiful. See, people leave from the church now. All these people were in church. And it was wonderful. So I leave you with this morning impression. I have my coffee. As somebody said, Thomas needs coffee, croissant. Or croissant, no, that's okay. But the cappuccino in the morning. And another thing is the ice cream in the evening. I have to honestly admit now, at this weather and this time, ice cream is very good. And God bless you all. And look, this is the center of the town, the Franciscans. If it is a Franciscan, it looks like a Franciscan, but the Franciscans are the center of the town. They are managing the parish here. Hello. And yeah, God bless you all from Medjugorje. I pray for you. Please pray for me. I have a coffee now. And see you soon. Bye-bye.